There's a place that you already know. Close your eyes and you're ready to go right now. Over the clouds. Zooming in, get into the flow. Every day it's a magical show with Professor Busta, Lynn, and Leolino. Here we come now, waking up your life. Such a lift, the glow that you feel, like a dream, but the magic is real. What you know, it's all gonna change tonight, tonight. Come with us, cause we're taking a ride. Watch us fly, cause we're rocking the sky. Way up high, and you know we're not coming down, into fairy town.
High above the clouds, here close to the stars, you'll find the home of the Tooth Fairies. At some point in time, the Tooth Fairies will come to visit you.
Oh, I've got it. Maybe we could just fly down.
Do you expect us to sprout wings? That's what comes of having a bat for a friend, you stupid boy.
Yes, but it was thinking about Flab that gave me the idea. Watch. Oh my God! I'm flying! I'm flying! If only Flab could see me now! Ah! You see, I'm flying! It works!
Quick! Before the mother eagle tries to feed me again. Now we are flying! Now we shall get some giant teeth! We're flying, yes, but how are we going to stop? We got here first.
But wait a minute, Papa. Aren't those...
Teeth! Giant teeth, you idiot! What else could they be? Don't leave any behind.
Stop!
Did you see that? They've taken all of the teeth.
So now what are we going to do then?
Give each of the children a wishing coin. That's what we came here to do.
Oh, look, there is a baby tooth here after all. And look how pearly white it is.
Here is another. Oh, I'm so very hot. It's good these jungle children's teeth are not very heavy, isn't it?
Less talking, more walking.
But where on earth to? There's nothing here but jungle. I think we have to get back to the eagle's nest to find the bottom of the ladder.
And when we do you think the eagle mother is waiting for us? I do not want to be fed by her again.
Oh, I think we lost.
Nonsense, come on.
Isn't that's Dee Kay's bat?
Buster, didn't you learn anything? We don't own wild animals, but they can be our friends.
Okay, but isn't that Dee Kay's friend?
Yes, I think so. He flew over here yesterday, and now he doesn't want to leave.
I can tell you, Mayor, those jungle children have incredibly white teeth. I don't think I've ever seen such brilliant white teeth in my life.
They chew a special seaweed called rata rata, and that keeps the teeth so clean. Great, isn't it?
Yes, then, that's very interesting. But what do you think this bat wants?
Wait a minute. There was a boy there who could talk to animals. I remember some of the signs he used, yes. What do you want? I think he is worried about Dee Kay.
Why should we care about Dee Kay and McCavity? If they're lost in the jungle, then good luck to them, and good riddance is what I say.
Leolino, please don't be so mean. It's really dangerous there, you know that.
But they stole our teeth, or what they thought were our teeth anyway.
Oh, he is just worried about his best friend. I think we can all understand that. You know, animals often feel danger that we can't see.
Yes, that is true.
Tooth Fairies, go back to the jungle. You must do what you can to bring back my brother and nephew. Without your help, they may never be able to return.
Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. When they fall out, we take them away.
You're not children now, so you must think carefully about what you wish for. You are a nice monkey. Always speak with your heart.
If you speak to animals with your heart, they will understand you.
How can I speak with my heart if it doesn't have a mouth?
When you feel the animals really understand your words, then you know your heart is spoken.
Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Waking up feeling great.